And just offering a bit of aroha and a bit of support, a bit of tautoko, finding the beauty in themselves as opposed to, external things like social media, or I look this way, or I have this amount of money. So cool, hope you enjoy it. Check.
Try to find who you are. Find what helps you become a man. The truth is out, you care for you. Love doesn't describe how we care for you. Yes, we're always there when you need us to. When you need us, when you need us.
Live your life how you wanna live it every day. But live your life, my brother, don't let it waste away. Cause tomorrow ain't promised and it can be a loss. And surviving the struggle, the homage to the past. I feel adrenaline jamming into the early morn. I feel electric even when the power isn't on. I feel the fire inspire me to keep shining bright. I'm a catalyst, nuclear like the sunlight. I'm living, are you living within it? Are you showing children how to make a conscious decision? Well listen, if you grin and let it slide under the radar, that ignorance ain't you, but that's what they want. Turning a blind eye will get you so far, but turning up when it matters will get you further. Cause when you give a damn or even try to, you actually are stopping the cycle, my man.
Try to find who you are. Find what helps you become a man. The truth is out, yeah, we care for you. Love doesn't describe how we care for you. Yes, we're always there when you need us to. When you need us, when you need us.
Yeah. Live your life how you wanna live it every day. But live your life, my sister, don't you be led astray. I see the images and all the expectations, the insecurities of an entire generation. I see the pressure that you're feeling in the mirror. Your body doesn't look how this society considers being beautiful is. Being beautiful always starts from within. It's not the numbers on a scale or the money you spend. It shows hell isn't likes or shares. They don't determine your self-worth, that we like to pretend that's what it is. But the truth is this shit isn't real. I can't smile or cry or understand how you feel. So here's the deal. Strive for whatever brings you joy, and hopefully you see that being happy is a choice. And it's just a matter of doing, cause when you follow through, you're an example of young and stopping the cycle straight up.
Try to find who you are. Find what helps you become a man. The truth is out, yeah, we care for you. Love doesn't describe how we care for you. Try to find who you are. Find what helps you become a man. The truth is out, yeah, we care for you. Love doesn't describe how we care for you. Yes, we're always there when you need us to. When you need us, when you need us.
Thank you very much. Yeah, so a little bit of self-reflected there, bit of personal development. I'm really proud of that track. I can't wait to shoot that music video with the students of Taiwananga Tutoa and my bro Ian Tidy over there.